Hello and welcome back to today's Financial News Digest, presented by Skyriss. Here's what's happening on the markets this Thursday.
Meta traded at $616.63 on Wednesday, supported by strong momentum in major technology stocks. Continued optimism around AI-driven advertising growth also boosted investor sentiment. On Wednesday, the S&P 500 rose 0.6% and the Nasdaq Composite gained 1.2%, supported by strong technology shares and AI optimism. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones slipped 0.2%, weighed down by losses in industrial and healthcare stocks. Gold fell below $4,700 on Thursday, marking a third straight decline. Higher U.S. inflation reinforced expectations for prolonged elevated interest rates. Euro fell to $1.17, pulling back from recent highs as investors assess stalled negotiations and the outlook for further ECB rate hikes. Ether rose 0.1% to $2,255 in the last 24 hours on mild buying interest. Improved sentiment in the broader crypto market supported the move. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the retail sales for April, following 1.7% in March. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the export prices of April, following 1.6% in March. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 12:30 p.m., the New York Manufacturing Index in the U.S. is expected to decrease, after reaching 11 in April. At 1:15 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the industrial production of April, following minus 0.5% in March.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.